everyone? Welcome to a 3M challenge. I'm your host, the Great Mirror Password, and tonight we are going to be summoning Jigsaw from the movie Jigsaw X. Now, make sure to like, comment, smash the subscribe button. Shout out to our subscriber who wanted me to do it. Please go follow his YouTube channel. Link will be in the description below. Comment below at the end of the video. Let's do this thing. So, guys, you're probably curious on how I'm going to do this. Well, I found Jigsaw's phone number off of the dark web. I also found him to text. So we can do this challenge any other way. We can do the bedroom challenge. We can text him. We can call him. We can do the mirror challenge to call him. We can do a reaction video on one of the Saw, the X movie. And yeah. So we're gonna be texting him. I don't know if he's gonna answer, but if he answers, that's gonna be fine with me. So here's how the challenge goes, and I put in one rule for the 3M challenge. I guarantee this is a rule for the 3M challenge. Set your alarm clock for 5 or 10 minutes before 3 a.m. Splash some cold water on your face, help you wake up. Because I know for a fact that this is a rule for the 3M challenge. Because if you set your alarm clock for 5 or 10 minutes before 3 a.m., you can splash some cold water on your face, help you wake up. You can make yourself presentable and stuff. But if you do wake yourself up at 3 a.m. and don't do all that, you will not look good on screen while you're doing a 3 a.m. challenge. Besides, it's kind of like logical and stuff. And I guarantee every YouTuber who's done a 3 a.m. challenge know that is a 3 a.m. challenge rule that you have to follow. Because why not? All right, here's how it goes. Oh, I would say have a cup of tea or a cup of water or a cup of milk to help you wake up and stuff. Yeah. Okay, here's how the challenge goes. Set your alarm clock for 5 or 10 minutes before 3 a.m. Splash some cold water on your face to help you wake up. Lock the windows, lock the doors, turn off all the lights, go in your bedroom, close the door, lock it. Sit on your bed or on the couch or wherever you're doing the challenge, but you have to keep every door and every window closed and locked while you're doing the challenge. So you have to text him and keep texting him until he answers. Then once he answers, you could be, say, talking a little bit nice to him, getting on the good side, but then you have to go off on your, try to provoke him to have him come to your house. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to keep the door closed and locked throughout the entire night. But I'm going to say this, after we text him, and when he shows up, the phone might glitch, light might go off, we might hear him say, "Hello, want to play a game?" Kind of like that. As soon as we hear it, and if we see his ghost, we have to immediately turn on the light so he does not murder the crap out of us. And then once we turn on the light, it will be 4 a.m. and we'll make it. All right. Enough talking. Let's do this thing. Let's do it. This is going to be fun. what the fuck just happened? We text him. He answers. I provoke him. He said he's on his way. Oh my god, this is terrifying. You've got to be kidding me. Already the phone's glitching? Oh no. After I called him bad names and stuff. Oh, he's showing up. Oh, this is gonna be terrifying. Bring it on. Bring it on, Jigsaw. Bring it on. Holy fuck. The lights are out. Shit. Where is he? He's small. He's small. He's gotta be taller, like... He's gotta be taller than Chucky, right? Where is he? Where's that little gremlin? I don't hear a bike. I saw his ghost. And I just heard it. Okay, I'm turning on the light. Fuck you, I'm turning on the light. No, I do not want to play a game. Jigsaw. Oh, wait, I want to play a game. The game is called... You're not gonna kill me. I'm waiting in your... Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Okay. What the fuck just happened? Guys, he was right here. I swear to God, he was right there. I saw his spirit. Right there. Holy shit. And we heard vanishing sounds as soon as I turned on the light, which means, is it 4 a.m.? It's 4 a.m. Oh, we made it. Yeah. And that's how you survive against the most stupidest challenge in the world. Jigsaw's games. Yes. But this challenge was absolutely insane and crazy. Okay, guys, it's 4 a.m., which means we survived the 3 a.m. challenge. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I will see you all on the next video. Have an amazing day. Do not try this at home. This is for trained professionals only. And guys, tell me in the comments below if you guys want me to summon any Five Nights at Freddy's characters at 3 a.m. Like from FNAF 1, FNAF 2, FNAF 3, FNAF 4, FNAF 5. Any type of FNAF character, I will do it. Okay, I hope to see you on the next one. Have an amazing day. This is kind of very terrifying. And if you guys want to see something, I want to show you this. This is my foot that got sprayed. Something. Don't worry, I'm okay. But it hurts every time I move. I can't help. If I want to like go to the bathroom, take a shower, get something to eat, you guys know. Has anyone ever got a sprayed on the foot and stuff? Please let me know how yours got healed and stuff. And whatever. I didn't go to the doctors to have this. My mom did it. My mom did this. The doctors didn't. But I did tell Mom, just in case, tomorrow. Oh, speaking of tomorrow, it is Veterans Day today, guys. Happy Veterans Day. And, if the doctors are still open, I'm just gonna tell Mom to take me to the doctor. I did tell her that, but I don't know what time the doctors are. If it's open, tell me in the comments below right now, because this is gonna really hurt and painfully every single time I move. And every single time, sometimes it spikes up. Like mega. Okay, enough about the foot. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Have an amazing day. Peace out, everybody. Goodbye. Peace. Oh, this was terrifying and really awesome in every way. Bye, guys. Ciao.